In today's video, I've got a key that I just got cut that I'm going to program to this 2011 Chevrolet Traverse. There's the Chevy logo, there's the Traverse, and there's the keys. I'm going to program this key here, and I just got it cut for this car. I literally just got this in the mail today, and here's our original key to the car. I'm hoping that this works. I don't know. I paid $6 for it. Let's see how many miles there are on this car before we do this. Gotta do the whole thing from right here. 226,885. Sweet. Alright, so I have the new key right here, and I have the old key right here. There's the old key. There's our new key. They are cut alike. So let's see if this one will start the car up. Nothing. Okay. This car has a rod knock. It might be getting a new engine. We don't know yet. Here's our old key. I think we're out of battery. Oh yeah, you can hear that rod knock pretty bad, can't you? Okay. Let me set my hat aside. So what I'm going to do to program the key is, with both of these keys, you need one existing key in order to program the key to start the car. Now, here's my old key. I'm going to put it in and count to 5. 5 Mississippis, and then I'm going to take this key and put it in for 5 Mississippis. After that key has been put in for 5 Mississippis, I'm going to turn the car off, pop the door open so I can reset everything, and then I'm going to test the key to make sure it works. That's simple. So here's our original key, obviously because it has the fob on it. I'm going to stick that in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shut that off. Stick this one in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it off. Okay. And at this point, the immobilizer light has gone off. I'm going to pop the door open for a second to make sure that it works. I'm going to turn the key on. Make sure the immobilizer light is off, or the theft deterrent light is off. Now that it's recognized the key. And it starts the car. Just like that. This happened in real time, so you can see exactly how quickly it is to program 2 keys to this car. So to show you, here's our key. Our original ignition key. There it is. That's our immobilizer light that I'm waiting for to go out. Watch it go out. Click. Okay. Here's our new key. Sticking it in, turning the key. Oh, I gotta turn the steering wheel lock. There we go. Watch the immobilizer light go out. Click. And just like that, the car starts. And I'm able to use this key on this vehicle, just like that.